Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video we are going to be talking about some of my favorite things. I have got a random assortment here, you guys. We've got clothes, we've got tools, we've got makeup, I've got music. So I just really wanted to sit down and share with you guys all the things that I've been loving lately. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so the first thing I'm going to start off with is clothing, just because it's taking up the most amount of room on my desk. And now most of these are items that you have seen if you've watched any of my most recent type of hauls, which I think is good because that meant it was worth my money. And as always, I will link everything that I can and find all that good stuff down below. So if you're curious about anything, check there. I will have links for you guys for everything that I can. But the first thing I'm going to talk to you about that I literally cannot stop wearing, which I think is good because it was very expensive, is my Ariana Grande Thank You Next and Sweetener sweatshirt. Now this was a whopping 70 dull hairs, girl. She was expensive and I was like, oh my god, for a sweatshirt. But you guys, this era of Ariana Grande is like everything to me, and it is such a nice sweatshirt. It's so different. It's unlike anything else that I own in my collection, but that's what it looks like on the front. And then it just has the same type of thing, and then the tour dates on the back. All right, next is some t-shirts. Now, you guys know I picked up a lot of t-shirts. I love wearing t-shirts, you guys. I love being comfy. It's totally my vibe right now, especially since we literally can barely do anything. And I'm highlighting my Rosy Days t-shirts. Now, this is her merch shirt. So this is just like the Rosy Days. It's got the pocket and her logo. I'm showing this one specifically because this is one that you can get. It comes in many colors. They are all very fun and very pretty. She's got sweatshirts, long sleeves, you name it, she's got it. I do have many of her limited edition tees, which I do really like. I recently just got the fall one and it's so cute. I can't wait to wear it. But these are of great quality. These are the comfort colored tees, so I feel like they fit very flattering. I get the majority of mine in larges just because I want them to hang a little looser, so if I want to wear them with bike shorts, but they also look appropriate if I want to wear with jeans or something like that. But these are definitely true to size. If I wore a medium, it would look okay. It would just fit a little bit more snug. And then my last favorite clothing item, you guys, oh my gosh, are my bike shorts. What are jeans? Okay, I literally don't know. Who are they? Do they even fit me right now? I have no idea because all I wear are bike shorts. These two are from Aerie, and I'm showing these two because they're from the same place, but they are different. So this pair over here is obviously this really lovely acid wash. It brings you more close to jeans. I love it so much. These are really nice because, again, it's got that really nice thick waistband. These are straight all the way across, as you can see here. These are a little more heavy duty than these ones right here, so they hold me in a little bit more if that's what I'm looking for. Most of the time I'm wearing a baggy tee, so who cares? But they are stretchy, they are comfortable, and they are quite structured. And then these ones I love because I have it in this color and then like a mossy blue green that's really nice. What I love about these is the cut, you guys, because you see how it's not straight across. It's got that lovely crisscross detail on the front. It really defines your waist, which is something I really do appreciate. And these are not quite as structured, so they're more stretchy. These are a little more lightweight. I would say those are more cottony, where these kind of feel a little bit more spandexy, but they're not tight on your legs in that way, like they don't suck you in. But these are super comfortable. If you watched my, again, most recent like clothing haul and stuff, I picked up these right here and I can't stop wearing them. Oh my gosh, these are the high key minis, and these are in the fades. You stop with my outfit right now. Stop it. You cannot talk to me. I won't hear it. I don't want, no ma'am. I am busy and fully booked. Next, let's talk about something that's a little random. So I'm going to talk about these Bath & Body Works Wallflower plugins. Now I have many scents. The two that I just pulled out real quick are Pineapple Mango, and if you are wondering, the notes on this one are fresh pineapple juice, mango, and vine ripened raspberry. And then I have this one right here, which is Waikiki Beach Coconut, which, oh you guys, this is probably my favorite one. And this is Tropical White Coconut Saltwater Breezes Sun Bleached Woods. You guys, I love Wallflower plugins. The Bath & Body Works ones are hands down the best ones that I have ever tried. I'm also going to shout out this brush. This is a Luxie 121 mini tapered brush. You guys, I can't even tell you where I got this from. This brush really picks up a really great amount of product and is so good at dispersing it wherever you want it on the eye. I feel like I can never go overboard when using this brush. It blends things out so perfectly, and I find myself constantly reaching for it lately in almost every makeup look that I do. The next thing I'm going to talk to you guys about are these acne patches. Now, I got these off of Amazon. This is a pack of 108, and I finally just used like one sheet of them. I love these, you guys. I know there are more expensive ones. I have tried more expensive ones. So far, I'm really enjoying these. I use these a lot, you guys, okay? My skin breaks out so bad when it nears that time of the month, or if I start eating really differently, and so I think these are great. I am definitely, I can be a skin picker because I just can't stand to let them sit there and fester. So these do help. I will even use them sometimes, you know, like if you'll have a zit and you'll pop it and you thought that one was gonna like just go away and then it doesn't. I really resort to these for that. It probably would be better if you use them before you try and mess with them, but girl, it really is nice. I wear them overnight. It does not harm my skin. It does not irritate my skin. It doesn't leave a sticky ring or anything like that. And when I wake up, I pull them off and it has the like sebum and anything, whatever it was pulling out on the thing, and it actually leaves them nice and flat. So it may not take away all the redness. It does do most of the redness, but it makes it easy to put makeup over it for the day because it got it nice and dried up. It's nice and flat. Mine never get really cakey or crusty looking, so those are a huge lifesaver for me. Like, I actually used a ton last night, and the way my makeup looks today, like, you really wouldn't be able to tell that I was having some struggles, girl. Okay, so next for some makeup goodies. You guys, let's talk about this foundation and concealer that I just cannot get over. So first, the foundation is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. This is it right here. I'm pretty sure I've done a full day wear test video on it, and if I have, I will link it for you up there. I'm in the shade Buff if you are curious. I am literally probably over halfway done with it. Like, I use it consistently. This is actually what is on my skin today, and every time I put it on, you guys, every stinking time, I am always so shocked with how beautiful my skin looks. Like I said, I had terrible skin last night. Like, I don't even know how many acne patches I put on, and granted, those did help me, but my skin just, it never looks bad with this, you guys. It is so good, and it's drugstore. Like, are you freaking kidding me? The undertone on this is perfect. I do mix it with some of my sunshine drops, and I'll talk about that in just a minute, but this foundation is amazing. I think this is my favorite drugstore foundation that I have, and it's just good. The finish is great. It's so long wearing on me, and I have nothing but good things to say about it. And the concealer that I just cannot get enough of right now, which is funny because I knew I liked it, I did not realize I liked it this much, is the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer. Mine's in the shade 130, but you guys, oh my goodness, I can't get enough of it. It's funny because this is not the most brightening concealer that I have, which is hilarious because that's normally what I go for. But again, this is what I'm wearing underneath my eyes right now. It's the perfect color. It goes with every one of my foundations. It is so nice on the skin. It sinks right in. It doesn't make me look like crepey or dry. It gives me enough time to work with it. The finish is beautiful, and I'm just so surprised, you guys, because I know when I tried it out for the first time, I was like, oh, this is good. And I was like, oh, I'll keep working with it. And I can't stop reaching for it, even over like my Tarte Shape Tape or the Jeffree Star Concealer, which I really do like. I just can't stop using it. I want to throw out now the Drunk Elephant Sunshine Drops. I mentioned that when I was talking about the foundation. You guys, these are amazing. They are like $30, so it can be a little bit expensive, but I use these to darken up my foundations. Okay, so the next thing, you guys, oh my gosh, it is this e.l.f. Smudge Proof Mascara. Now, I've mentioned this before. It comes with a side for your top and then your bottom lashes. I do not care about the top portion at all. Like, not even a little bit. I literally barely use it. But the lower section, you guys, first of all, look at this teeny, like, it just looks like a little stick. This is what the lower one looks like. It is literally just a tiny little point, but oh my gosh, she may be small, but she is so, so mighty. This little tiny mascara wand grips every single bottom lash in the most beautiful way imaginable. I hardly do my makeup now without using this for my bottom lash. I will use a bunch of stuff for my top lashes and whatever, but then like I have to reach for this for the bottoms. It is so, so good. It kind of reminds me of the MAC Giga Black lower lash mascara thing that everybody raved about, but this is so much cheaper. I never tried that, like I always wanted to, but it was so expensive, and I was like, just for your lower lashes, I will continue to repurchase this, you guys, even though I don't use the one for the upper lashes. You can, it's not bad, but I just don't really care about it. But I will continue to repurchase this solely for the bottom half. This is so good. If you want your bottom lashes to be individually separated, I really like it, especially when I do really dark and dramatic looks, because it just makes them look better. But if you want your lashes to look like that, girl, you need it. You need it. My next little product is literally a little tiny product. I have touched on this quite a few times on my channel, but this is a product called Freck, and I know it looks super small. They do come in a bigger one, but I don't really think you need it. But this is how I create all my faux freckles. Again, I have an initial like first impressions and how do I do it kind of a video on this product, and I will link it up here. But I use this all the time. It is on my face right now for all my little freckles. Can you even see them? Let me zoom you in a bit. See all my little freckles? Look at that. Those are all my little tiny freckles, and you guys, this product is everything for creating it. I used to do just like eyebrow pencils and kind of creating faux freckles like that. You can get there, it just takes way more work. This takes all the work out of it. I know there are other brands that have come out with faux freckle type products similar to this, and I'm not even going to bother to try them. That is how much I love this product. This was the original one, and from what I've seen, I've watched a couple reviews on some of the other pens. I think ColourPop has one, and I think maybe someone else, but the undertones just aren't quite there. This has the most perfect like reddish undertone of like natural freckles. So like my freckles, I do have freckles, but my fake freckles look like they could be real freckles. I get comments all the time about how cute they look when I wear them out and XYZ, and people really don't realize they're not actually my real freckles. And so if you're someone that's into that trend or you just want to try it out, this is the way to go, girl. Okay, and so for my last makeup product, I've got to shout out my Milani Make It Last setting spray. You guys, look at like, could you even see how much I literally do not have in there? Look at that. It is so sad. I'm so sad about it. This is my new favorite setting spray, hands down, point blank, period. I have my girl Amanda Rose to thank for this because she showcased it on her channel, and then I ended up picking it up when I did a full face of Milani. I will link that up there for you guys. And I have used this all the way up, and I've recently found out, again from Amanda's channel, that these come in smells like watermelon or something. I don't remember what else she said, but I am now going to have to look into that because I would like to try it in the smells because I need a new one ASAP. This is so great, you guys. I know it seems like a small little container, but it really does last quite a while. It has such a nice spritzer. It smells amazing. This one on its own, like this doesn't have a smell. This is just the original. But it smells good on its own. It's super cooling and really nice, and I just have nothing bad to say about it, especially for the price. Like, you really can't beat that. Okay, guys, so I have one more favorite before I want to get into a couple music favorites for you guys, and this is going to seem really random, but my little coffee mug right here from my bestie Casey is like my favorite little mug to use. It is a mug that she got created to look like the two of us. I don't want to spill because I actually do have coffee in it, but so like it has our names, and it's like, it's our skin tones, it's our hair type. It's so stinking cute. And then she, you know, customized it, don't mind my lipstick on the back, with a little quote and everything. It's so freaking cute. Okay, you guys, so last we're just gonna get into a couple music favorites. Now, I cannot play them for you because YouTube is rude on the copyright. Like, I'm not going to lie. So I'm just going to tell you my favorite things right now. So first and foremost, the thing that I've probably been listening to the most is Taylor Swift's new Folklore album. I know she is a specific taste. You either like her or you don't. There's really not an in-between. But I love Taylor Swift. Okay, as you guys know, I have met Taylor Swift. What a life. And her new album is chef's kiss. It is so good. It is not what I expected from her at all, especially since she dropped it out of left field and didn't tell nobody it was coming. And it is so good, you guys. I will write some of my favorite tracks on the screen right here, but it is absolutely fantastic. I want it on vinyl so bad. I don't know if I can get it because I didn't buy it at first because I wanted to listen to it, but it is amazing. I highly recommend that even if you're not a huge Taylor Swift fan, that you at least give this album a chance. Another song that I've really been enjoying is Watermelon Sugar by Harry Styles. Okay, it's just so cute. All right, it throws me off that like it's called Watermelon Sugar and he starts off talking about strawberries, but we're not gonna get into that. It is such a fun little song. It makes me very calm, very relaxed. I really do like it. The other one that I really like that I cannot believe I'm gonna tell you about it is the, what is it? It's Intentions by Justin Bieber and Quavo. And girl, I really was like, I'm not the biggest Justin Bieber fan, but I'm like, oh, this is so cute. Like, okay, get it. And again, it's one of those songs that when I listen to it, I can't help but sing it. I can't help but dance. Anyways, you guys, that is all for today's video. These are my current favorite things that I just cannot live without at this moment. So I really hope that you enjoyed watching. Let me know some of your favorite things down in the comments section below. And if you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and if you hit that notification bell, you will never miss an upload from me. Last but not least, you can also come follow your girl on Instagram at Alyssa and I, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!